Hello and welcome back to a new video. My name is Alessandro, and if this is your first time here and you're into photography, video making, tech gear review and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. So today we're going to talk about a very essential gadget that every video maker or photographer should have. And to tell the truth, I didn't have one. And the guys at TARION were so kind to send me one of their monopod to test out. Let's roll the intro, then quick unboxing. And I'm then gonna go test it on the field, see how it performs, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you what I think and if it's worth the money and if it's any good, if it has something that needs to be improved or any other thoughts. That was a great first time. I mean, it's the first time I tried out a monopod, and I don't know if it's because of this monopod or the concept of the monopod in general. I really loved it. I mean, it made my job like 10 times easier. What do I think? I think that it's a very good tripod, has a starter. I mean, it's my first tripod. I found it very, very useful. This guy is all made of really good rubber and aluminum, and you can feel and tell it's like, that was a beautiful sound. Hear this. That's really satisfying. Anyway, it's made of really good rubber, and aluminum makes it really still, really firm in your hand and trustable. I mean, when it's like tied down, I left my A6500 on top without worrying that it could fall. So that's a great thing when you use a tripod, especially if it's your first time. Again, I'm thinking about using this at my next weddings instead of a tripod because it's lightweight and easy to use. So I'm gonna let you know how it works out. So let's talk about the price. Currently it's €50.99, probably roughly $60 Is it worth the money? After, you know, a couple of hours of using it out in the field, as you can see, it was great. I mean, it really made my life easier. It can even be used with my Insta360. I mean, I can place it there, hit record, and then see whatever comes out when I'm finished. So, value for the money? Yeah. Thanks again, TARION, for sending me this. This was a piece of gear that I was missing in my bag. So, what else? Remember that it doesn't come with a head. I had to mount my Joby head here to make it work, or I'm thinking about buying a couple of heads because I need one for the automated dolly. I'll leave a link in the description and up here somewhere if you want to see the dolly that Newer came out with. It's a really great toy and fundamental if you're a video maker and want to start playing and learning the job. The only thing that I think that can be improved, and probably it's because this is my first monopod and I haven't had so much of experience, I would have loved this to be movable and adjustable with your foot. It would have been nice if you could use this with your foot while it's standing down on the ground. And the other thing, I would have loved another 20 centimeters because I'm 1.95 meters and this is just 160 plus the head and the tripod. I think it gets to 180. So that extra 10 or 15 centimeters, I would have loved that. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short review. I mean, it's my first monopod, so be nice with me in the comment. Let me know what you think. If you have a better monopod that you want me to try out. Again, this is my first one and I'm in love with it. I'm really gonna take it away with me on my next trip and probably gonna shoot my next weddings with it instead of a tripod. I'm gonna let you know how that's gonna work out. Smash the like button if you did like the video, subscribe if it's something you're into, and I'll see you guys on the next video.